Dear fellow ASLM members, I trust you all have a great summer and ready to enter a new academic year. It has been 100 days since my election to be ASLM President, and I'm glad to be able to inform you that much has been achieved during this last several months. Membership drive is an important aspect of ASLM, and Dr. Murad Alam as well as Dr. Paul Freeman are working closely with our membership and resident liaison committees to maximize our effort. Measures include automatic resident enrollment as our society members and new traveling scholarship to our end-use meeting are being studied. Thanks to Dr. Tom Royers, our immediate past president, who together with Dr. Adam Millers and Dr. Arisa Otters has written a manuscript entitled ASLM Laser Light and Energy-Based Devices 100 Fast, Fat and Pearls for Board Review and Clinical Practice. While this very useful manuscript is prepared with the intentions to assist U.S. dermatology residents to face their board examinations, I do believe all clinicians who have interest in laser and energy-based devices in dermatological applications will find it to be beneficial. Further detail regarding release of this important material will be available soon. Recently, we have started a membership survey that ended on 31st of August, and while we're still working on the detail of the survey, preliminary assessment indicated that the first three popular membership benefit being the LSM Journal, annual conference, online courses, and webinars. Over 80% respondents said that ASLM programming is an important resource to help meet their CME and CE needs. In terms of the top three professional challenges our membership are currently facing include staying current on the latest research regarding new treatment and devices, time management and work-life balance, and finally, sourcing and/or cost of new devices. Full detail will be published once we have finished assessment of this important survey. Laser in surgery medicine, under the editorship of Dr. Brian Swan, has achieved an amazing impact factor of 4.025 in 2020 journal citation report, which is the highest impact factor that the journal has ever achieved. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Dr. Wan and his board of editors for such remarkable achievement. LSM with Expert, formerly called the Journal Club, will resume on the 5th of October, and LSM 24 Hours Online is scheduled to take place the weekend of 28th to 30th January 2022. In view of the popularity of this event, we're currently looking at options to increase the durations to 36 or even 48 hours, and of course, if this is feasible, there will be change of names. While global vaccination effort has allowed some degree of normality in many parts of the world, international traveling remains an issue. In the recent International Affairs Committee meetings, cooperations with international societies, including France and Israel, were discussed. Most will be in the form of cooperating agreement in video conferencing format. There was also an overall request for translation of our teaching material into different languages. In view of such demand, we are exploring translations of part of LSM 24 Hours Online that took place last January into Spanish as a pilot project. If this proved to be successful, I do hope to expand to other languages, and in doing so, promote research, education, and high standard of clinical care in the field of medical laser and energy-based application throughout the world. This will further position ASLM as the leading international society in advancing biomedical applications of laser and energy-based device. Due to the current COVID situations, our annual laser aesthetic course that was due to take place in fall have to be cancelled. However, our online learning centers now offer packages on online courses, including clinical applications and fundamental in dermatology practice. I do hope members can take advantage of these excellent teaching materials. The financial health of ASLM is strong based on the June 2021 year-to-end financials. Overall operation activities are on budget with YTD projections, and our investment portfolio continues to perform very strongly. While conference registration and online course sales have not met budget expectations, expenses are being managed to balance these reductions in projected revenues. In total, we had 688 registered for 2021 annual conference, I would like to thank our Treasurer, Dr. Vic Ross, and members of the Investment Committee for job well done. Our 2022 annual conference, under the program co-chair of Dr. Stuart Nelson and Dr. Fernanda Sakamoto, are doing very well. We will start pre-conference calls on Wednesday, and the actual meetings will take place on Thursday and end on Saturdays. Most of the ASLM committee meetings that usually take place during our annual conference will be scheduled before or after the conference so that key opinion leaders can focus on the conference as well as having time to meet our attendees during the conference. Lunch will take place in our exhibit hall to create more opportunity for networking and professional exchanges. In response to requests from our industrial partners, there will be increase in the non-CME sessions, including Tech Connect, which have proved to be most popular in previous years. Our Idea Committee, under the leadership of Dr. Oman Ibrahim, has put together ASLM Idea Position Statement, and a video to announce the statement is in process. The committee suggested several projects as part of the mentorship program, including a virtual DEI series of educational videos that can be posted and disseminated virtually. This includes topics such as diversifying your staff, diversifying your patient base, managing macro aggression in the workplace, connecting with patients of different backgrounds, diversifying your inner circle, diversity in research, and etc. There will also be new networking program or preceptorship to connect underrepresented resident and young clinicians to more experienced clinicians and scientists in the field of laser medicines. Our Safety Director, Ms. Patty Owen, together with members of the Safety Awareness Committee and other laser safety professionals, have put together a document entitled Proposed Rule for Exhibitors Demonstration at the ASLM Annual Conference. This will set standard for device demonstrations in our exhibit hall for next and future annual meetings. The excellent work is much appreciated. I would also like to take this opportunity to welcome Mr. John Hoopman to be our Safety Director-elect. Finally, I would like to congratulate Dr. Memphis Donegan for his successful elections in the recent special elections to our board as representative for laser surgery. I look forward to update you all in several months' time. For the time being, be well and be safe. Thank you very much.